Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a simple evening snack chicken bonda recipe famous in South India. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Here I've taken 1 potato boiled and mashed, 350 grams of boneless chicken boiled and shredded. Add some salt while boiling the chicken. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute it well. Once the onions are translucent, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it for a minute. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, increase or decrease according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix all of this well. Add little water for the masalas to cook. Mix well. Add some salt. Add the shredded chicken. This is 350 grams. One mashed potato. Mix everything together. Do not add water. We need this mixture to be thick. The mixture has come together. Turn off the flame. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves. Once the mixture is cooled enough, take a little bit of the mixture, roll into desired size balls and keep it aside. Now the chicken balls are ready to fry. For the bonda batter, into a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour, also called besan, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, a pinch of baking soda, asafoetida half a teaspoon, also called hing, and some salt. Add water gradually to get a thick batter. Dip the prepared chicken balls into the batter. In a pan or a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Gently drop the bondas into the hot oil. Keep the flame on medium heat. Fry them till they get a nice golden color. Remove them from the oil once they reach golden and crispy. Serve them hot. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.